Good morning, everyone. Dear student, today we discuss about another important part of this chapter, polling and counting of votes. You also aware about of these views. This is a view during the time of election outside polling booth. You better aware about this system and polling and counting of votes. Dear student, we also aware about polling is the final stage of an election is the day when the voter cast or poll their vote. That day is usually called the election day. We also read about many elections conducted time to time in our country, in our localities also. In that day, a person with his name on the voter list can go a polling booth. Especially this polling booth situated usually in a local school or a government office. When this person enter in polling booth, get identified by the official, get the mark on his finger and cast the vote for the candidate of his choice. We also aware about. And your parents also go for vote cast during the time of voting day. And one mark also put their fingers. We are already aware about. Agent of the candidate are permitted to sit inside the polling booth for ensuring that a fair voting takes place. We also aware about in this election procedure, many political parties, many independent candidates also participate. Student, we also aware about agent of each candidate also sit in the polling booth, inside polling booth. And these agents also verified the voters according their name, according their address. So when they permitted, so person also vote cast in favorable candidate. Election voting machine EVM are used for casting votes instead of the ballot paper. This student presently we also hear about use electronic voting machine. Yes, student, this is the model of polling booth. Look at this model. Everything also represent in front of you. First, peoples also enter in polling booth. Then, first person. This is the polling officer first. This person also check the name, identified this person, verified this person. Second, again person also goes to be second person. This person also put a mark on his finger and these are the agent of different political party. They also seated backside of this polling officer and they also verified the name, the age and address of the voters also. When they also verified, so they also permitted to vote cast and this person also permitted to be vote cast in favorable candidate. And this is the another person. This person is be as a presiding officer. This is the presiding officer and this person also control total election procedure inside this polling booth. And one of another person also is be here. This is the observer. He also observe every activities inside this polling booth. So this is the view of polling booth during the time of elections. And we also aware about this is the different instrument is be this is EVM and this EVM also controlled by one of the polling officer. He also control this machine and this is the VVPAT and this is the real view of inside the polling booth is the real picture. Then this is ballot paper. Dear student, we also aware about present time use of electronic voting machine at present in our country. Before 2004 in our country, in almost in every election, use of ballot paper. A ballot paper is a sheet of paper on which the name of the contesting candidate along with the party name and symbol are listed. Student, we also aware about in this ballot paper, this is the party symbol, name of candidate. And during the time of election, voters also put a mark in front of this favorite candidate. So before 2004, in our country, almost in every election use this ballot paper. But present time, we also use electronic voting machine. Again, same process, name of candidate, party symbols. During the time of election, voters also press button in front of their favorable candidate. In 2010, Election Commission also discussed almost every political party use VVPAT. In 2019 Lok Sabha election in our country, use of VVPAT during the time of election, if a voter vote cast in their favorable candidate, if this person also want to the proof of his vote, so he also take the slip from this VVPAT. Because before 2019, many political parties also allegate during the time of election, ruling parties also hacked this EVM machine. So at this time in 2019, Election Commission also start this VVPAT. So voters also take the proof of his vote. So this is the free and fair election procedure adopted by Election Commission in our country. And after completing the election, final task is the counting of votes. Once the polling is over, all the EVM are sealed and taken to a secure place. A few days later, a fixed date, and this date also fixed by Election Commission. When Election Commission also declared voting day, so in the same time, Election Commission also declared counting date also. All the EVM are opened and the votes secured by each candidate are counted. The candidate who secured the highest number of votes from a constituency is declared elected. We also aware about highest number of vote in favor of candidate. So Election Commission also declared is be elected representative from particular this constituency. Within a few hours of counting, all the results are declared. In general election, the counting of votes in all constituency take place at the same time on the same day. Within a few hours of counting, all the results are declared and it became clear as who will form the next government. This event is reported by television channels, radio and newspaper. Student, we also aware about present time in our country during the time of election. Election Commission also use EVM. Before 2004 in our country use ballot paper. Ballot paper counting is the time consuming process. Before 2004 result declaration after 3 and 4 days. Need 3 and 4 days to declare results. But at present EVM is a electronic voting machine. So press the button and total vote in front of us, and they also counted and declared result within few hours. And this information also given by television channels, radio, newspaper, and many agents also sit in the counting areas also. They also give report time to time to public. So this is the time saving process adopted by Election Commission in our country. And next is the what make Indian election democratic. Next part, in last phase we also discuss about election procedure in our country. So who control this election procedure? So Independent Election Commission. So Independent Election Commission also play important role. So with the efforts of Election Commission, mass level popular participation also increase in our country. Acceptance of the election result, free and fair election. This is the view of Election Commission. Dear student, at present, Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Present time is Sunil Arora also appointed 2018. Independent Election Commission. So in India, elections are conducted by independent and powerful autonomous election commission. The President of India appointed the Chief Election Commissioner and 2 other election commissioner for a 6 year of period. We also aware about Chief Election Commissioner appointed by President of India with the advice of Prime Minister, and another 2 commissioner also appointed by President of India with the advice of Chief Election Commissioner. Time period is be 6 year. Retirement age is be 65 year. Present time is be Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of India. It enjoy the same kind of independence that the judiciary enjoy. We also aware about in our country, Judiciary enjoy independent, completely independence powers. We also aware about no one pressurized to judiciary. Judiciary take decision according to choice. Same happened also with election commissioner. But once appointed, the election commission is not answerable to president or government. After the appointment, chief election commissioner not answerable to the president of India and any ruling government, any prime minister, any concerned department. He was election commissioner not pressurized by any governing body of India. Even if the ruling party or the government does not like what commission does, it is impossible for to remove the chief election commissioner and they need to obey. We are so aware about. It is completely impossible task. After the appointment, remove the chief election commissioner from his post. Of course, ruling party not like working system of this chief election commissioner. Of course, government not like to be this person, but after the appointment, it is impossible task to remove. Of course, this person also complete is 6 year or age of 65 year. And this is the function of election commission in India. Election commission take decision on every aspect of conduct and control of election from the announcement of election to the declaration of result. Student, we also aware about announcement of election date and declaration of result. Whole procedure also controlled by election commission, starting to last. It implements the code of conduct and punish any candidate or party that violated it. We also studies about election commission also makes some rule and regulation. We also called to be as a code of conduct during the time of election. And during the time of election, it's compulsory. Every political party and candidate also follow this rule and regulation. If any political party, any candidate not follow this rule and regulation, election commission also punished. It can also order the government to follow some guideline to prevent use and misuse of government power to enhance its chance to win election or to transfer some government officer. We also aware about during the time of election. Election Commission also declared a guideline and every government also follow this guideline. And during that time, Election Commission also transfer many government officer. This government officer they also like presently government. So Election Commission also transfer this type of officer one area to another. When on the election duty, government officer work under the control of Election Commission and not the government. We also aware about during the time of election, Panipat Deputy Commissioner do work under the control of Election Commission, not under the control of Haryana government. Because at this time, supreme authority is the Election Commission, not government. Because government not in working form. At this time, election also declared and code of conduct also declared. So during that time, total officer do work under the control of Election Commission. And we also aware about Election Commission also give an advice to the president on some certain issues. Many another tasks also completed by Election Commission. When election official come to be opinion that polling was not fair in some booth or even an entire constituency, they order a repoll. When Election Commission also know about some negative voting, false voting also in particular booth and constituency. So Election Commission also order to report. So this total function also controlled by Election Commission. And in our country, Election Commission also use its power according to the Constitution of India. So with the efforts of Election Commission, we also found different kind of results. Mass level popular participation increase in our country. Dear student, we also aware about people also participate in election is usually measured by the voter turnout figures increase time to time. Turnout indicate the percentage of eligible voter who actually cast their vote in the last 50 years, the turnout in Europe and North America has declined. In India, the turnout has either remained stable or actually gone up. When we compare India and to be European country, so in Europe, decrease participation of voter in election, and in India, when we compare to last 50 years, is be increase and stable, remain stable, not to be decrease. We also aware about, you also look the figure of one, page number 70. Second, in India, illiterate, poor and unprivileged people vote in large portion as compared to rich and privileged section. This is contrast to be compared with the Western country, especially in USA, the poor Afro-Americans and Isbi Haitians vote much less than the rich and white peoples. Student, we also aware about in India, poor peoples, uneducated and unprivileged people maximum participate during the time of election. When we compare to the America, in America, poor people not participate in election procedure. In America, rich people also directly participated. In India, rich people not participate in election procedure because they also belong to a different kind of activities. They also declare this is uh, wastage of time. So we also aware about one of movies, Bhutnath Returns, you also aware about. So at this time, during the time of election day, most of people also enjoy as a holiday. So in India, poor people is be participate in election. Next, common people in India attach a lot of importance to the election. They feel that through the election, they can bring pressure on political parties to adopt policies and programs favorable to them. They also feel that their vote matter in the way things are run in the country. Student, we also aware about during the time of election, many communities also pressurize government. Of course, we also aware about lack of facilities in our communities, especially in our surrounding. So during the time of election, community peoples also pressurize government and political party adopt some policies, favorable policies. And when government also complete this task, these communities also vote cast in their favorable candidate. So during the time of election, many people also pressurize government, do some favorable program and policies. And we also aware about the interest of voters in election related to the activities has been increased over the years. In 2004 election, more than one-third voter took part in campaign related activities. More than half of the people identified themselves as being close to one or the other political party. One out of every seven voter is the member of political party. Dear student, we also aware about in our country, almost every seventh person also related to be directly or indirectly in every political parties. In our family, in our relatives, anyone, he also connected any political party directly and indirectly. So in our country, so this is the positive results. Increase popularity of election in our country, because at present vote cast during the time of election is be 70-75% during the time of election. So this percentage also increase when people directly participate and people also interested in election procedure. So this possibility come with the powerful election commission, because election commission also control almost everything. Finally is the acceptance of the election result. If the election are not free and fair, the outcome always favor the powerful. In such situation, the ruling party do not lose election, and lose party does not accept the outcome of a rigged election. Student, we also aware about in our country, when elections result declared, presently government, if government is be lose, so they also accept result also, and many another political leader also accept result. If there are no powerful election commission, ruling party never be lose. So the outcome of Indian election speak itself. The ruling party routinely lose election in India both at the national and state level. Every 2 out of 3 elections held in the last 15 years, the ruling party lost. We also aware about almost after 2 and 3 elections, most of representative also lose election. In USA, in Kremlin or sitting elected representative rarely lose an election. Is be no chance to lose election in USA sitting elected representative. But in India, about half of the sitting MP and MLA lose election. In our country, in every election, near about 50% representative also lose election. Candidates who are known to have spent a lot of money on buying voter and those with the criminal connection often to lose election. We also aware about during the time of election, many political parties also use money. They also connected with criminal activities type criminal minded person also. So they also pressurize voter during the time of election. After this too, they of course lose election. So uh, this is the system of election commission. Now, free and fair election. India election are basically free and fair. The party that win an election and form government, but in this some constituency, a few candidates may win purely on the basis of money, power, and unfair means. But the overall verdict of the general election still reflect popular reflections. However, many limitations and challenge in India election for a conduct the free and fair election in India. Of course, student, we also aware about. This is the challenge to free and fair election. We also aware about in some constituency, some people also use money power. They also use muscle power. Of course, this is a few examples in our society. But almost election also conducted in our country free and fair manners. We also aware about some limitation also, many challenges also faced by election commission. What are these challenges? Challenge of free and fair election in India. Candidate and party with lot of money may not be sure of their victory, but they do enjoy a big and unfair advantage over smaller party and independence. We also aware about during the time of election. Big political parties also use lot of money as compared to small political parties. In some party of the country, candidate with criminal connection have been able to push other out of the electoral race and to secure the ticket from the major party. We also aware about criminal-minded person also. They also pressurize another people's not take part in election procedure. So, of course, in our country, criminal-minded person also connected in our election, in our electoral system. Near about 43% member of parliament at present as allegation of crime to be different type of crime also 43% in Lok Sabha. Some family ran to the dominant political party ticket and distributed to relative from these families. We also aware about present time. Congress party dominated by only Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi. At present, during the time of tickets, they also give ticket their favorable candidate. Same happened also in Haryana. Indian National Lokdal also dominated by Chotala family. Samajwadi Party also dominated by Yadav family. So they also distribute ticket their relative members. Ordinary citizens have no right to achieve this type of any post. Very often election offer too little choice to the ordinary citizen for both the major parties and quits similar to the each other both in the policies and practices. This is the little chance to ordinary people also achieve the higher post in any political party. Of course, some example related to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Presently, Prime Minister basically belong to the Gujarat and is a ordinary families also. But according his efforts, he also achieved to the highest post in our country as the Prime Minister of India. Of course, some of political party adopt this kind of method. They not dominated by any families. Small party suffer huge setback as compared to big party. We also aware about present time. Almost in our country, Bharatiya Janata Party is also use its power almost in every state as compared to small political party. Because of the above reason, many organizations and activities have been demanding a reformed electoral system. Student, we also aware about many organizations start to be demanding to change our electoral system. Of course, government and election commission make some rule and regulation during the time of election, but need to be proper checking of their nomination form and was the total activity of the different persons those are take part in elections during the time of election. So this is the duty of election commission, use is maximum power and make some certain kind of rule and regulation to conduct free and fair election. This is the different views we also aware about. This is page number 70 and 71. Look at this diagrams. This is the polling system according to the ballot papers. And finally, end of your this chapter.